Hi, welcome to Myviettv channel. Today I am going to draw and coloring Doraemon and Nobita. We are drawing Doraemon. Now, we are drawing Nobita. Draw is finished, now we will painting Doraemon and Nobita. Black color. Light blue color. Red color. Yellow. Orange color. Pink color. Green color. Thank for watching. Please see next my video and come again. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel to see new video.